Welcome back to Immigration News, your trusted source for the latest updates on U.S. immigration. Your immigration lawyer and your guide through today's crucial topic, No Interview U.S. Visa 2023. Let's dive right in. The significance of No Interview Visa. First, let's understand the significance of No Interview U.S. Visa. This is a game changer for many applicants. It means that in certain cases, the U.S. Consulate is waiving the traditional visa interview requirement. But why is this such a big deal? Expand on this by explaining that visa interviews can be stressful, time-consuming, and logistically challenging, especially for those living far from a U.S. consulate. Talk about how the waiver can streamline the process, saving time and effort. Who qualifies for no interview visa? Not everyone qualifies for a no interview visa. In the next segment, we'll break down the specific categories of applicants who are eligible for this waiver. Stay tuned. Provide detailed information on the categories of visas that may qualify for a waiver, including family-sponsored, employment-based, and other relevant visas. Mention any recent changes in eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria. So, who can benefit from this waiver? We'll discuss the eligibility criteria, including family-sponsored visas, employment-based visas, and more. This is information you don't want to miss. Detail the eligibility criteria, such as the relationship between the petitioner and beneficiary for family-sponsored visas or the specific employment-based categories that may qualify. Mention any exceptions or requirements. NVC and U.S. Consulate updates. The National Visa Center, NVC, and U.S. consulates play a crucial role in this process. We'll give you the latest updates from these institutions and explain how they impact your visa application. Provide information on any recent changes in NVC processing times, document requirements, and consulate procedures. Explain how these changes can affect applicants. Pros and cons of no interview visa. Like any immigration change, there are pros and cons. We'll weigh the benefits of skipping the interview process against any potential downsides you should be aware of. Discuss advantages like reduced wait times and the potential for smoother processing. Address potential drawbacks, such as the importance of having a well-documented application. Tips for a successful application. To increase your chances of a successful application, we have some invaluable tips and insights to share. Stick around for this segment to ensure you're well prepared. Provide practical advice on preparing a strong application, including documentation, supporting evidence, and common mistakes to avoid. Interview waiver success stories. Nothing is more inspiring than hearing from those who have successfully navigated the no-interview process. We'll share some success stories that will motivate and guide you. Include real-life examples of individuals or families who benefited from the interview waiver. Share their experiences and how they prepared their applications. We've been receiving numerous questions from our viewers about this topic. In this segment, we'll address some of the most frequently asked questions and even take a few live questions from our audience. Prepare a list of common questions related to the topic and provide detailed, easy-to-understand answers. Encourage viewers to ask additional questions in the comments section. We hope this in-depth exploration of No Interview U.S. Visa 2023 has been informative and helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on U.S. immigration.